I'm off today and I'm still getting up because I like to go in the mornings to Lake Parker Park. It's just a really good way for me to start my day, and it's helping me train for my hike that I have coming up because I'm not really used to walking 7 miles a day. So I go there and I do a few every day and kind of build on that. I'm going to take you guys with me so you can see the place. One of the things I really like about this place is it's not super crowded in the morning. So when I come in the morning, it's usually like 5 or 6 people here. This is the weekend and there's already a lot of people at the pavilions that they rent out. So I hope there's not a lot of traffic on the hiking trails. It is all paved trails, so that's a little disappointing to me because I like to do the natural trails because they give you a better feel of what it's going to be like actually on a trail. You all right, Bubby? I just tried to run with her and she was not having it. She did like a light gallop and that was it. She said, I'm tired. You tired, Bubby? Yeah. I don't know what the problem is. It's probably too early for her. So these hawks, I don't know if you can see, they have a nest there. And it's like he just sits out there and guards the field. I wonder how they feel during like sporting events. Tired. Well, we're about 2 miles in. We got 1 left to go. Hopefully she can make it. We'll stop and rest up here in a minute so she can catch her breath. She is like walking so slow. Luna is finally laid down on some concrete. She was dying. It's been a good walk so far. It's so cool out here though. Like there's a volleyball net out here. They have the disc golf, which is cool. I've never really played that, but I would be down to learn. I missed the sunrise this morning, which sucks, but it's still beautiful out here. So, happy to be out of the house and not at work. Everybody brought their boats out today. Look at all these trailers. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe I should get a boat. I don't know, there's alligators in there. are so cool out here. Like, it's just calm. And a tired pup. Oh, puppy. You're tired. She don't want to do nothing. We almost hit 3 miles. I don't think we're gonna get to 4. She's too tired, so. Oh. We're gonna head back to the car. Come on, Bubby. I think I've been here like an hour and 15 minutes, so we did pretty good for 3 miles. We made it back to the car. Bubby's done. She doesn't want to have anything to do with it. Oh, girl. Yeah. And that was my day morning at Lake Parker Park. I'm gonna go to Publix and get her some food and probably a coffee for me. Anyway, see you next time.